Greetings and salutations! Today I'm going to do a highly requested video, particularly from my male friends, about how to twist your own hair. Because as we all know, in these COVID-19 times, we're all struggling, the salons are shut, we can't go anywhere. The hair shops fail to realise they're an essential service. I mean, sir, you there, a corporation? I can't get my products from Boots or Superdrug, okay, honey? Like, I need packs to be open. I need it, okay? I hope this helps you learn a thing or two. Huh? So, yeah, just gonna get into the video. So what we're gonna need today are a wide tooth comb, 2 or 3 hairbands to help with our sectioning, and a smaller tooth comb for more precise partings. The products we'll be using today are Aunt Jackie's Baby Girl Curls Curling Cream, which will just give that hair a bit more moisture. And we're going to be oiling our scalps with Vita Coco's coconut oil. When you're finished your hair and you're going to go to bed, you can cover your hair with a satin bonnet, a do-rag, a headscarf, whatever it is that you usually use. Now usually I'd use Elastic UP olive oil and mango butter leave-in conditioner. However, I'm running very low on that, so I won't be using that today. I'd also usually use Blue Magic Originals castor oil hair grease, but it was already in my hair, so I don't need to use it again. Now for our sectioning, what you want to do is take the wide tooth comb and draw a line from the front of your head to the centre, and then do it again with the smaller comb just to make that parting nice and crisp. And then do the same thing again from ear to ear. The next thing we're going to do is take our wide tooth comb and create our parting for our first row of twists at the back of our head. Once you've done that, take a hairband and get the rest of the hair out of your way so that you can work freely without obstruction. Then we're going to take our coconut oil and put some of it on our scalp. Make sure that you hydrate that scalp, guys. Then we're going to take the curling cream and apply it to the hair itself. Make sure that you saturate the hair in it so that it's nice and soft. And then take your smaller comb and detangle the hair. Now when you're detangling the hair, do not comb it from the roots down to the ends. That's no good for your hair. Instead, hold the hair taut and comb from the ends and work your way up until you reach the root. And now we're going to do our first twist. So to create that twist, you want to take your finger or your comb and just separate a tiny piece of hair from the rest of it. I don't need to do it because clearly I'm lacking hair in the back. Then you want to take that piece of hair and split it into 2 and hold it taut near the root like I have here. And then, keeping the hair between your fingers, cross one piece of hair over to your other hand and repeat this overlapping motion right the way down to the end of the hair. When you realise you're getting to the end of the hair, don't stop, keep going with that overlapping motion right the way down to the end. If you stop, the hair will unravel and all of this would have been for nothing. And then we're going to repeat that whole process again for the second row. Take a piece of hair, split it into two, hold taut near the root, take one side, cross it over to your other hand, and continue this overlapping motion right the way down to the very, very end of the hair. For this section, I'm going to do diagonal partings instead of horizontal ones, simply because I think that the hair falls better this way. But you don't need to do that. You can continue parting as we were doing before, if that's what you want to do. This is just what I prefer. Now I'm just going to show you again at the front of the hair. So you're going to take a piece of hair and split it into two, hold taut near the root, and right here I'm going to slow down to show you my finger positioning. Not everyone does it the way I do, so you can do it the way I'm showing you now, or you can do it however feels most comfortable when you're trying to do the twists. But this is just how I do it. And once more for good luck. Now I'm just going to see how I want my hair to fall. So initially I'd wanted a middle parting, but then I've decided to go with side parting. And right here I'm just deciding how deep I want that parting to go. Once I've decided how deep of a parting I want, I'm going to part the front of my hair until I'm content with the way it's going to fall and resume twisting as normal. This is the final look. I've slept on it, I've woken up, gotten ready, and now I'm ready to go. Sit in the garden, really. We're on lockdown. There is nowhere to go.